Okay, today in Tinkercad, you're going to start by creating your bubble wand. And with the way that we're going to do this is you've got your two-dimensional design. You're going to go to create a new design. And the very first thing that you're going to do today is you're going to rename this. You're going to call this your name bubbles. Okay, so I'm going to call this my name and bubbles for my bubble wand. And using the skills that you've learned and how to use your work planes and using your measurements, you're going to add your shapes and connect them to create your bubble wand. Make sure that you look at the constraints, which are the limits that you can no longer be in greater than. So those are the maximum size. And when we're rotating and we're looking at this, you can change the width or the size, just so we talked about in the size it up and changing everything. So if I click here, I can either click and drag. I can make my model wider. This, of course, is all in millimeters because I'm looking at my grid down here. That changes the length into millimeters. And this top one changes the height, right? So for example, the maximum thickness of your bubble wand can be no greater than 5 millimeters thick. Right now, if you want, however you want to make that, you can make that. But you're looking at here, maybe be my wand, and I have a certain length that I can't get beyond either. When you are wanting to connect pieces to your bubble wand, right? Say you want to put your name in here, don't forget to use your work plane, right? When I use my work plane and I attach my work plane onto the top, that's saying my next model I want to stick right on top of it. So I'm going to put a cylinder right on top. The height has already been set up. Everything is where it needs to be. I can stack my shapes. So then if I want to put something on top of the circle, the cylinder there, I put another work plane, and then I can drop a sphere on top of my cylinder, right? And so as I'm doing this, each model is placed directly on top, connected and touching. So I've got everything that I need to do. Another amazing tool that might help you with some of your more advanced drawings is the scribble tool. If I drag a scribble in here, I use my trackpad and my mouse pointer, and I can make maybe my bubble wand is in the shape of a worm, right? So I can do that, and then that will give me my shape, give me a preview of what it's going to look like. When I hit done, then I can reshape it and change it or do what I want to do with it. So then this would be my bubble wand that I want to put in here, and I could put this and make sure I attach it so everything is connected to your bubble wand. We're going to work on this start today in your virtual day or in class. We'll finish it either on your virtual day or in class. See what we can do to get our tops done. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.